Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a device manager from CMD. All right. Now also as a bonus, I'm going to teach you how to open it up using the run program. Down here, first up, open up CMD, click on it, just the basic command prompt. All right. Now type in DEVM, then GMT.MSC. All right, again, DEVM.GMT.MSC. Now just hit on enter. As you can see here, here's our device manager. Just close this one if you want to, and then hit on exit right here on your command prompt to close the command prompt. Now, as promised, go ahead and open run. All right, or hold the Windows key and press R on your keyboard, and it should open up run. Now, what we're going to type in here, again, same thing. DEVM.GMT.MSC. Just hit on OK, and there we have our device manager. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.